Hey guys, Matt Hadley here with David Bruce Auto Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. I'd like just 1 minute of your time to show you this cool 2020 Toyota Avalon TRD. What's TRD mean? Toyota Racing Development. That means this vehicle was actually developed by the Toyota Racing team. Right off the bat, you're going to notice this very aggressive honeycomb grille made it up to these LED headlamps. It's going to be more vision on the road. You're going to be able to see further out the road and wider on the road. Right behind that, you're going to have these blacked out wheels with the red caliper shining through. Also with the TRD, you're going to get TRD headrest with red stitch seats and the TRD shift knob. Under the hood, you'll find over 300 horsepower V6 dual overhead cam engine mated to a direct shift 8-speed automatic trans. It's a very powerful engine. Also, Toyota made a couple adjustments from 18 up to this 20 for the more of a do-it-yourselfer. They moved the dipstick up a little further to where you can check your own oil. Also the windshield wiper fluid, power steering fluid, it's all very easy to access. What's the point of having all this power if you're not going to have some safety features behind it? This vehicle is going to have Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which is going to include pedestrian detection, lane departure detection, and radar cruise. Radar cruise is going to lock onto the speed of the vehicle in front of you. When they accelerate, you accelerate. When they brake, you brake. Lane departure detection, you start to veer out of your lane a little bit. There's going to be a gentle steer back into your lane to keep you on the road. Very safe for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're interested in a 2020 Avalon, come down to David Bruce in Bourbonnais, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Can't wait to see you.